We are doing another video in our series teaching you everything you need to know about the brand new Fire OS system. Today, we are going to look at how to sideload apps on it. I am going to show you a quick one-to-one tutorial because this is a new operating system. Welcome back to TechVibes. The first thing we need to do is download a specific app. The old App Store section is gone on the new system. To get the app we need, scroll up past the main banner and go to the search icon. This acts as your new App Store. You can also just hold down the Alexa button on your remote and ask it to find the Downloader app. If you choose to search manually, type in Downloader. You will see a few options pop up, but there are many fakes out there. Do not fall for the fake ones. Look for the first icon that has over 600,000 reviews. Click on it and install it directly to your device. While that installs, let us talk about sideloading. Amazon is restricting some applications on their devices. You can still sideload with the brand new Fire OS, but some apps may be denied depending on the situation. Once the app is installed, we need to head over to our settings. From the top scrolling menu, head to the three lines on the far right to open the side menu. Scroll down to Settings and select My Fire TV. From there, click on the About section. Next, click on the device name option exactly 5 times until a message says you are a developer. Once that is done, click back 1 time. You will see a new option called Developer Options. Click on that and scroll down to Install Unknown Apps. Click on Downloader until the status changes to On. This allows Downloader to install third-party apps directly. Now head back to your home screen and open the Downloader app. If you want to make it easier to find, you can hold down the Select key on your remote to move the app directly to the front of your menu. Once Downloader opens, click on the top URL bar. The app has a handy code option next to the bar that pops up a number pad. This allows you to type in short codes a lot quicker. For this example, we will type in a short code to download Kodi, which is a legal media player. Type in the code or website URL and click Next. Once the page loads, scroll down to find the installation file. Click on the newest version to let it download. When the download finishes, the app will automatically prompt you to install it. Click Install to finish the process. If you see a security pop-up, it means you forgot to turn on the Unknown Apps setting in your developer options. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app and grant the necessary storage permissions. This exact process works for any third-party application you want to add to the new Fire OS system. To ensure all your new third-party apps run smoothly and securely without any network blocks, make sure to use NordVPN. I highly recommend using it every time you stream on this new operating system. You can find the NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. If this video helped you navigate the new Fire OS, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.